Jason Mark, General Manager at Glentek, been in business since 1965, building motors and drives for the world.
How's it going?
The man, the myth.
All right, Radilo Milenkovic.
We start with the aluminum housing that we machine, heat up the aluminum, and then we drop the steel in, and then when it cools, it shrinks around over it, so it's locked in place. Magnets bonded to the shaft. Again, the shaft being machined. These are ring magnets. So they're using the latest magnet technology. You can see this line here. And then this one here. So that's defining one field. So this would be like a north pole and then a south pole.
We go with 1500 volt. That will be a current that will be delivered through fixture to magnetize.
Oh, little taco generators, which one of them's on the back of your motor. Craftsmanship in every motor we build.
Came to the right place, huh?
Yeah.
These 12 heads here, they'll come over and they'll pick up a part, and then they'll run past the scan camera, and that'll verify that it's the right part.
This would be like kind of what's inside your motor. There's a shaft with these magnets on it. Neodymium iron boron. So this is kind of what your motor starts off like, called a lamination stack.